Hi everyone, I'm meteorologist Bob Rose. Today's weather spotlight is on the weather outlook for the rest of summer and going into early fall. Now, if you remember back in the spring, most all of the weather outlooks were saying that this was going to be a wet summer for central Texas, and along with that, below normal temperatures. You know, the month of May was incredibly wet, and the wet weather extended into June as well, and temperatures really averaged below normal for both months. But now that we're in July, I wanted to give you an update on the weather pattern because things appear to be changing just a bit. You know, the wet spring that we had was influenced very heavily by the development of El Nino. But now into the summer, the influence of El Nino often weakens, and the latest long-range forecast data does indicate that this wet influence from El Nino will weaken for the rest of summer. So the new outlooks are now indicating that rainfall will actually be below normal during July and August here across central Texas. Temperatures, though, still should average a little bit below normal, but I do want to caution we are going to see some triple-digit days, especially in August, but we're not going to see nearly the number that we have seen for the last couple of years. The influence from El Nino typically does return as we get into fall, and right now the outlooks are saying that this is going to be a pretty wet fall for much of central and south Texas. With your spotlight on weather, I'm meteorologist Bob Rose. Thanks for watching.